Well, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to hide your games from your profile on your Steam account so people can't see what you're playing. So what you want to do is go up to the top right, go to your profile, then go to privacy settings. Then under here, you can see my basic details. It says public. Your profile name, avatar are visible to anyone who visits your profile. Okay, so we have that. And if we go to my profile right here, we can choose if we want friends only or private. Under that is game details. So if we want our games to be hidden, mine is set to friends only. I think that's the default, but you can go to private and even your friends won't be able to see what you're playing. So if you're trying to appear offline, well, some of the games that you're playing might still be showing up on your profile. So this category includes all the list of the games on your Steam account, games you've wish listed or achievements in playtime. Okay, so they won't be able to see that. This setting also controls whether you're seen as in-game. Okay, so you'll be completely hidden to people. I always keep my total playtime private. So this is probably what you want to check mark also. Then you got your friends list, your inventory as well, and comments and posts, screenshots, and work items right there. So just come to this section and you should be able to private your games. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.